Hey, welcome. Today, we are going to be packaging something I sold on eBay. Let me show it to you. It's a good one. It's right here. It's a little Christmas lighthouse. Lights up. It's a lighthouse. Plugs in, hangs, sits on a shelf. Christmas spirit. There's a wreath right there. It's great. The problem we're gonna have with this is it's ceramic, very fragile. So we're gonna have to package it pretty good. First thing I do, we need a box. So I order stuff online, it gets shipped to my house. I keep the boxes. I take boxes from work with items that get shipped there, so I try to keep my packaging costs as low as possible. This isn't my job. I resell stuff to fund projects that I like to do in the garage. And on this channel, you're gonna see me document all of those builds, which I'm excited to bring to you. So with that being said, a little backstory. I got this at Goodwill. It was $3.88, and we just sold it for $7.50. It's not a big profit, but I didn't have that money 10 minutes ago, and I'm not doing anything right now, so it's not like my time's worth a lot. Every little bit helps. I'm just saying. I know you see a lot of videos and posts of people, you know, $3 and it turns into $300, and yeah, you'll have that from time to time. It's not going to be every single one. If you're going to resell stuff as a hobby, which may turn into a career, you're going to learn. There's going to be ups and downs. You're going to make mistakes. I've made mistakes. I can tell you about one I made recently. It kind of sucks. I lost $5. But it's $5, right? Basically, this paid for my mistake. It happens. But back to it. We need a box. I'm gonna go find one. Look at this. Amazon box. It's pretty big. I think it's too big. I think that one's too big too. I'm gonna stop and I'm gonna go look to see the dimensions I put on the listing to see what size of a box I need to be looking for. So I'll be right back. You won't even notice. Turns out I need a 12-inch by 12-inch by 12-inch box. Or anything lower than that. I don't think I have one. Might have to make one. Should be good for you guys. You'll see how to make a box. It's always exciting, right? Search continues. here we go. We're gonna use this. So you gotta try to peel off as much stuff. There's stickers on it already, old packing labels. Try to black them out, or I try to rip them off just to get rid of all the other old shipping information so no one's confused. Quite a few of them. And how corrugated boxes are constructed, there's a, I don't know how well you can see that, but you have layers of paper here, a layer of paper on the other side, and then the paper goes back and forth. And that structure creates a pretty rigid container to ship things. The attempt is to try to peel off the label without peeling off that outermost craft paper. If you do that, you're not going to have a strong box, and that's not good. So, for instance, there's paper on there. Came from right there. It's okay. That's fine. If you see the flutes, the inside, it's bad. You're gonna want to tape over that, or get a new box. There's a couple more. All right, I think we got it all good, ready to go. So what we have here is a 14.5, 9.5, 8.5 size box. It's definitely what we need. And I think actually this might work without us having to make the box smaller, which is done easy enough. But let's close it up, start to package it. I got one more label I want to get off here. If you're thinking about reselling, which will require you to ship things, get a good tape gun. I got this at the hardware store. I use duct tape, HD clear. It's thick, a lot thicker than your normal packing tape. It's got good adhesion. Just makes your life easier. So those two flaps go in, that closes. Most of you are familiar. So I basically close that up, Now, I need to change the camera angle.